Hello, this is Mr. D with the walkthrough tutorial of Lift Every Voice for Viola. So you start on the G string and you have a low 2, then normal 3, normal 2, now, for when the at measure 6, when this pattern is introduced, my recommendation is at home is to get every pattern and play it, at least 10 times to make sure that your fingers learn it. This piece is long and it's going to be overwhelming if you have to think about every pattern, how to play it. So what I would recommend is that you go that your fingers can think for themselves and just monitoring where you are in the piece. So then the next pattern, chances are that some of those patterns are going to repeat, so it's a really good investment if you repeat those ones in the beginning, and then the hard ones is going to pay off in the long run. So here is 6. G string. Now switch to high 2. Now this is the change in the rhythm. See, it repeats here. High 2. Now you have a high 3 or a low 4, whichever you prefer. They're interchangeable. So if this is 3 and this is 4, high 3 is right in between, or low 4 is right in between. Okay? Normal 3. Now here I really recommend to use low 4. So 4 is right on top of normal 3. Continuing. Again, low 4. Now on the G string you have to move the finger below the first finger tape for low 1, and they have to be accurate on the 3. Normal. High 2. Low 4. Turn the page. the end of that line and move to normal 3. Again low 2 and normal 2. Let me do measure 45 again. Sorry. Low. Normal. You can play low 4 here or high 3. Normal 3. Now this is a low one. Then stretch 3. Normal 1. Again. Now low 1. Low 2, high 2, high 3 or low 4. Now we are at 72, the key change, so no more F sharp or high 2 on the D string. But this one is high on the G string. Low 2. Use low 4. Low 2. Now this is high 2. Low 2. Low 1. Almost. Now we're getting to the really difficult part, the one with the flats. You have a low 1 on the G string, low 2. Now that D flat is the same as C sharp, so you have low 4. One more time that measure, 87 before the double bar line. So you have a lot of low 1s, a lot of low 4s, all low 2s. So low 1, low 4, low 2, low 1, 1, low 3 and tape, low 2, then low, low 2, 1, 1, low 2. Now low 2. This F flat is the same as E natural. So your second finger would be on the E tape and your 1 would be low. And you have to stretch for low 4. Then now normal 1 and move it. Watch. Gotta practice that motion. Low 3. Now normal. Move back. Low 4. Low 1. Low 1. Low 4. Low 3, which is the same as C sharp, and low 2. Good luck.